All right, so I just picked up the Picote grabber for a job I have on Tuesday. So far, I'm super impressed with it. Bought it from APS. They're members of the group, so I figured I'd give them a try. I know Jake used to be like Mr. Picote, so I figured, who better to buy Picote from. But yeah, I'm going to be using this tool for a job I have coming up on Tuesday to grab a metal test plug out of a 4-inch line out of school. So far, I'm really impressed with this thing. Look at the jaws. Look how sharp they are. They like stab you, so it'll definitely bite into metal. They interlock into each other. Apparently, this thing is steerable. So this is your control. You just, to steer the actual thing, it's really hard for me to do this video, but I'm gonna do the best I can. I'm gonna hold that with my legs. You hold that and you just twist this wheel. You twist that wheel and your robot hand moves. You get up to your blockage or whatever the hell you wanna get. Damn, I can't get it. Give it a twist. Then to lock onto it, I'll twist it again. Then to lock onto it, you just open this valve. Boom, 130 PSI. Slammed shut on whatever the hell you want to get out. I can't pry that open. It's crazy tight. That is locked on. So I guess to open it, you close the valve, and then all you do is just release the air. Open. This is a quick connect. Quick connect it back on. You're good to go. Oh man, I want to get something else in the pipe. Go to it. Oh, I can't get it. You rotate your jaw, lock it on. That was really annoying, so I just shut the air compressor off. I'm gonna release this again. Jaw open. Like I said, it's just a quick connect. I'm gonna lock something on. Maybe these scissors. I'm gonna try to lock. That's gonna be hard to lock onto. I'll try it anyway. I'll do the metal part. I'm gonna see if I can do it. Bear with me. No. My air compressor has almost no PSI left, by the way, guys. So I got the scissors locked. Man, it's on there. Look at that. I'm yanking it by the scissors themselves. I could pull this out of a pipe. No problem. Want to pull these scissors out the pipe? You're getting them. And you could steer it. Like a captain. Like the captain of your own personal vessel. Which I find very cool.